What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are doing something pretty crazy. You guys remember David? Pro drone pilot with his two badass drones.
Let me show you what I got here.
He's got a bunch of new stuff. We're doing some crazy stuff with it today.
Sheriff in town here.
We're doing a bunch of crazy stuff.
This right here,
Ghetto bird.
I call the ghetto bird. Police issue.
Police drone. Oh, wait until you guys see it at night with all the lights on. The whole thing looks like a cop car, but in the sky. It's insane. But if you guys already saw, Zach is here with Drift Camaro. We're gonna be doing some crazy street tandies. Got my Z out here. And yeah, we're gonna be hitting some spots. We're gonna be probably running to a couple different spots. This is spot number 1 right here, this main road. Comes up to an intersection, leads on out to like a bridge. John's here, Mr. Orlando Drift himself. What is up? What is up, my guy? Pound it, pound it.
Excited to see what you have planned.
I have some crazy stuff planned. Well, this is one of Zach's spots. You just come down here, come up to the intersection. We can either swing left or right. We'll probably go right, and then manji up halfway to that bridge, and then probably stop. Problem is, we got a couple buildings down here that are full businesses and open, so can't say what they are. We don't want to, you know, tell anybody where we're at. But
Mexico.
Yeah, and we're Mexico.
Well, no.
Guatemala.
Someone started saying Puerto Rico, so I like that one.
I don't like Puerto Rico.
No?
Not Puerto Rico?
Oh, it's like that?
Oh, it's like that.
It's alright, I'm Mexican.
You gotta like take both.
Well, they call me tortilla slides, okay? So, anyways. Hard tacos or soft tacos? Go. Hard.
Soft, man.
Man, what the hell's wrong with you, man? You gotta get it harder, you don't get it at all.
My Fiesta mirror.
No, soft tacos all the way.
No, man, hard taco all the way. What the hell? No. Hurts your teeth. What do you got, sensitive teeth?
So what, you don't eat like Doritos?
Ooh, rotary hater.
That's exactly what fucking hard taco
That's
is.
sad.
Doritos.
You're right.
They even made a taco.
Alright, I'm gonna let them figure this out themselves. But anyways, we'll be doing some fun things. We got a couple spots planned, so we'll probably hit this one and then we'll go do some others. Set up some GoPros, make sure everything's ready, and we're gonna head on out. We hit the spot, we got a couple runs in. I think we got 3 runs in. It was decent, but a bunch of people showed up and started calling the cops. So we're dipping, we're gonna go grab something to eat, and then we're gonna go to another location, so stay tuned. All right, spot number 2, original OG spot right here. This is the Simply Clean after meat spot that we used. Unfortunately, Zach left. He had some stuff he had to do, so it's just us. But we got tons of life on these tires. I think we're like 90% life. So we got plenty of life to do some fun things out here. So we're gonna set up a line, figure out what we're gonna do. Porta potty was in the way, we moved it out of the way. And yeah, we're just gonna shred.
Yeah!
not planned at all. Arthur just showed up with his 1J. Send it, just for a sec. Just for a sec, do something. Woo! Oh yeah! Dude, that is awesome. Totally unplanned, he just showed up, guys. That is so funny. you guys can see that, there's a truck right there. He literally just said he's security and we're getting thrown out, so we gotta go, unfortunately. So yeah, we're dipping. He's watching. He's calling the cops, so we gotta go. All right, so we got completely kicked out. Kind of sucks, because I got a little bit of life left. But I didn't get to show you guys this awesome drone. Look at this thing. This is why I was running the red and blues, because he was chasing me with that, as you can see. Man, that thing is a bright one.
Specifically for chasing really fast.
It looks white. Like, the camera, I know it's not doing any justice. It looks white, but trust me, it's red and blue in person. and maybe on the ground. You can kind of see it. It doesn't pick it up well.
When you get behind, because I've flown this thing behind a
Yeah.
car in like the street in Mexico.
In Mexico,
And,
Guatemala.
Yeah, the people see red and blue lights, and if you got tints or something like that, you don't know what the f is behind you. You just see red and blue.
It's like
So I pulled over like 2 cars.
Is that a
with this
police
thing.
helicopter?
It's like, that's why it's called the ghetto bird. It's ghetto for
Dude, that thing
police
is so
chopper.
cool. Look at that. God.
7-inch dead cat Source 1 frame. Got the Diatone Mamba stack, Mach 3 RXSR.
Well, you guys saw the footage from it. The footage is amazing and super clear, so it's absolutely insane. But yeah, that's the reason why I was running that. It was red and blue lights. We've been like talking about doing this with the police car, with the police drone. I know my car doesn't really look like a cop car, but the lights, hey, it's close enough, right?
do it.
It's close enough. But yeah, it's actually got thrown out.
Police written on the
Yeah,
side.
police right there.
You know, 911, 911 on the top. Like a
Hey,
normal
you should
car.
have like a slogan that's like to chase and enslave or
I
something.
was gonna do something like that on here, but I mean, as you can see, this carbon fiber doesn't give me a lot of space
Yeah.
to work with, and painting on carbon fiber.
Looks
is
cool though.
pretty dope.
That turned out really cool. It just sucks we got thrown out. It is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. I got a little bit of life left. I was gonna do maybe like another crab walk. I haven't done a crab walk in a long time, and maybe like throw it into a drift or something, but I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna go ahead and take those tires off. Car's right over there, kind of see it. And then just put the other ones on just to make it home. I don't know, I think that might do it for tonight, so we'll see. So we ended up at McDonald's. What's up, everybody? Look at you at the McDonald's. Why you gotta get food? Everyone's getting drinks, why you gotta get food? What is this? What is this? Oh, you got the Scott meal. Oh, you got the Travis Scott meal. All right, dude, you swing it, man. And I know you guys probably don't recognize it's all black now, but it's the same car, I swear. Dude, it looks amazing. I gotta tell you, it looks really good. What gear was that? You said third? Dude, sound good. Sound really good. Looks good, sounds good. Hell yeah. But if you guys remember, he had a 370Z. He traded it. He got a 1JZ swapped SC400. So SC4 or SC3? SC3. So it had a 2J, went 1J. So it's kind of like a Soarer. Really cool car. It's on air cups in the front. So that's why it's like super low, but you can air it up and then go drifting. So yeah, it's crazy. Swapped out the 3-piece wheels for some actual regular wheels. Got rid of the camber. Now you can drift. Yeah. Right? Fun time. Dude, I like it. But anyways, yeah, we end up here at McDonald's. It sucks Zach had to go, but it is what it is. He had some errands he had to run. So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna get some drinks, we're gonna eat. I don't know if you can hear me. Damn semi. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna chill here, get something to drink, and then we're gonna all head home. Big shout out to everyone that showed up. Ghost for all the awesome drone footage. Orlando Drift, John for all the great photos. Bumby, Arthur, and everyone else that showed up. And of course, Zach. I really appreciate it. And it was a fun time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this craziness. This might be one of the last street hits I get out of the VQ, because as you know, we're getting ready to go LS3 on it. So I just want to get one last really good session with this motor. It's an amazing motor. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna take it out and just keep it as a spare motor for maybe the missile, the vert, or another Z, who knows. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell so you get notified when I subscribe, or when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hold on. She's blessing me with the guava pie. Thank you. Now the vlog's over.